Hello, in today's video, we will be discussing Neville Goddards, The Power of Awareness. In The Power of Awareness, Neville explains the powerful impact of our awareness in our lives and how we can use it to manifest our desires. His insights, which he shares in this book, teach us how to use our awareness to create our lives and how to focus our attention to attract what we want. We will learn how to create a better future by understanding the power of awareness and how to use the power of awareness to manifest our desires. In summary, Neville Goddard, the author of The Power of Awareness, explains the power and importance of awareness and how it impacts our lives. He begins by exploring the idea that our thoughts shape our reality and how we can use our awareness to change our consciousness. He explains that awareness is an important part of how we think, how we live, and how we perceive our world. Goddard also talks about how we can use our awareness to manifest our desires. He begins by looking at how we can use our awareness to create a better future, which he explains requires us to focus our attention. He shares techniques for concentrating our awareness on our desires and achieving our goals. He also teaches us how to visualize our desired outcome and follow a plan for achieving it. Next, Goddard delves into the idea of being aware of our feelings and emotions, and how these feelings can influence our thoughts and our results. He explains that by being aware of our feelings and emotions, we can better control our minds and direct our thoughts. He also talks about how we can use our awareness to connect with the power of the universe and how we can use this connection to bring our desires into reality. To further illustrate this point, Goddard shares stories of individuals who have used the power of awareness to manifest their desires, such as the story of the woman who visualized her dream home, and then found the perfect house a few weeks later. He also talks about how we can learn to trust the power of awareness and use it to manifest our dreams. Goddard also provides advice on how to use our awareness to manifest in relationships, health, and wealth. He talks about how we can identify our needs and use our awareness to attract them. He explains that through focusing our attention on our desires, we can create a better future for ourselves and those around us. Finally, Goddard encourages us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings and to take an active role in creating our lives. He emphasizes that our awareness has the power to manifest our desires, and through focusing our attention on our desired outcome, we can create the life we want for ourselves. Neville Goddards, The Power of Awareness is essential reading for anyone who wants to take control of their lives and manifest their goals and desires. His insights show us how to use our awareness to create a better future and how to trust in the power of awareness to bring our desires into reality. By taking an active role in creating our lives, we can maximize the power of our awareness and create the future we desire. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button at the bottom of this video, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. It would help in supporting me with this channel. Leave a comment, and let me know what you would like to hear. Do you prefer male or female voices, scrolling text, etc.?